नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVM डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. I welcome all of you in today's session about practical case taking. In this session, we are discussing miasmatic prescribing, importance of the miasm in our prescribing, utility of the miasm, why it is necessary to understand the miasm. So, all these information related to miasm we will discuss here. So let's move to continue. Our topic is about miasm. The today topic is keywords and the criteria of all the miasms. I want to take first SORA. As we know, SORA is the most universal, most infectious, most destructive and mother of all the diseases. As we have studied about SORA in theory of chronic disease. So SORA, there are various synonyms for the SORA miasm, like each eruption, leprosy, psoriasis, parasitical nature of skin eruptions, lepra. So there are many synonyms of SORA miasm. So all these synonyms, all these names of SORA only indicated to the some eruptions, some itching on the skin. So these are the primary lesion of the SORA miasm. So now keyword of SORA is the irritation. Physical irritation characterized by itching. At mental irritation leads to mental turmoil characterized by anxiety, apprehension, fear, restlessness. SORA has the most fears of all the miasm. So there is irritation at the physical level, irritation from itching on the skin, and at mental level also is very important, irritation from anxiety. So all types of anxiety mostly belongs to the SORA miasm. Almost all fears belongs to SORA miasm. Apprehension also belong to SORA miasm. Anxiety about anything, anxiety about health, anxiety about family, anxiety about children, anxiety about business, anxiety about future, anxiety about disease, anxiety about incurability of his disease, anxiety from in a simple minor illness, in in coryza, like the nux vomica. So any condition in the psoric patient, although disease is very mild in nature, but anxiety part is very much found in psoric diseases. There is no fear of death from the disease in the psoric, but patient is very fearful about the disease, about the consequence of the disease, fear of the death. So there are many types of the fear related to disease. Psora has the most fears of all the miasms. Psora has the most fears of all the miasm. Now the criteria part of the psora is related to lake, scanty and absence. Means whenever we meet with hypo condition, that the characteristic thing for the psoric miasm, like the atrophy, anemia, anorexia, all these conditions indicate the psoric criteria. Lake, something is lacking, something is poor. Scantiness, there is no profuseness or absence, like scanty perspiration. Therefore, any diseased condition characterized by deficiency, scantiness, absence, and all hypo conditions reflects psora, such as hypotension, hypothyroidism. So all these conditions indicates the psoric miasm. So deficient immunity resulting in increased susceptibility to catch infections. So there is the also deficiency in the immunity level also. Lack in immunity, lack of immunity, scantiness, resulting in increased susceptibility. So this hypo condition of immunity leads to increased susceptibility to catch infections, and that is go to hypersensitive is a psoric criteria. Here hypersensitivity is related to increased susceptibility of the patient. So whenever in our hospital, in our clinic, we have to judge, we have to diagnose the psoric miasm through these basic criteria of the symptom of psora. In next lecture we will discuss psychosis. Thank you.